All right, everyone. So I made this video a couple years ago, but I just wanted to re-upload it because maybe a lot of you guys haven't seen it. There's almost 9,000 new subscribers in the last 28 days alone, so I wanted you to check this out. So I did this just to prove you could go beyond your vision whenever you're doing low speed stuff, and it's more about the feel of the bike, what the bike sounds like, and what muscle memory truly is. And this is a demonstration of it. So I put on taped up glasses, a thing over my face, and a tinted visor, which is duct tape, so there's zero visibility. And I do U-turns and figure eights completely blindfolded. So this is the process of how it all happened. And surprisingly, the scariest thing was trying to come to a stop, because if you close your eyes and you're on the bike, when you put your foot down, you don't have the awareness of like the level of the equator. Like, you know, you could tell very easily when you're tilted. So just that, and like when you put your foot down and how close it comes or how far away it is and the weight of the bike, it gets very, very bizarre if your eyes are closed and you can't see anything. So those are the times where I was actually the most scared, when I actually try to come to a stop. But the riding portion was interesting, but I'm so used to doing it because I just practice so much. So I definitely do not recommend attempting this. This is pretty dangerous. But here you go. Check out the video. Hope you enjoy. But this was, I think I made this video originally like 2 years ago. So there you go. Hope you like it. All right, everybody, I'm here with my buddy Bill. So I just told him he has no idea what I'm about to do because it's like his surprise as well. So this is what I'm going to attempt to do. So I'm going to attempt to do figure eights and low speed turns completely blindfolded.
You're crazy.
So here, I'll have you do it. I'll just leave it on selfie video. So open up my thing. So I have a new screen. So first I have these glasses that I put electrical tape on. I'm going to be wearing these. And then I'm going to put this over top of my whole face. And then I have a new thing I'm going to replace, and it's completely duct taped. Here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is switch out my visor to the duct taped one. You just have to like yell at me if there's like a car coming or something. Or if I go like too close to shit I don't want to hit, like the telephone pole or that car. Just like, hey, stop the bike.
All right, so you're saying my life or your life is in my hands, right?
Yeah, tell me if I'm getting too close to something. All right, so what's the best way to do this? You're probably all thinking right now, like, oh, do this first and do this, but I'm like, look at this. I'm like actually nervous. Oh, if I didn't say don't ever attempt this ever. Not even on a bicycle, don't ever do this. Here you go. I'll get the glasses on. Dude. Here we go. I can tuck them in. Zero visibility. Okay, I can't even breathe. I gotta like adjust this somehow. If I can't breathe, I'm really gonna freak out. Okay, there we go. I still can't see, but at least I could breathe. That's important. Dude. Okay. Is this left or right?
That is a right-hander.
Oh, it's the right way. Dude, look at.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how nervous are you?
Dude, fucking 12. Like
A 12.
I really can't. Dude, I want to put you in this with the camera rolling when I'm done, so you could see what I'm seeing. It's like midnight. I can't like I'm sleeping. Okay, so I'm pointed straight, right? I'm just gonna. Dude, I gotta warm up to this. I'm just gonna go straight and try to stop without falling.
All right, I'm gonna back up and give you some space.
Okay.
without being aware of where the ground is at, like, I'm gonna drop the bike. Like, I can almost guarantee it. How far did I go?
You went about 10 feet, so you're still in the first parking stall.
Okay, so, okay, I'm gonna try to go straight and make a U-turn and point the other way.
Okay.
Is there enough room this way?
Yeah, you're good on you got plenty of space forward and to both sides.
All right. Are you out of the way?
I'm out of the way. I'm over here.
Turn, or which way am I facing?
Yeah, you did a U-turn at about 90% of the U-turn.
So which way is your bike?
So you're pointed directly at my bike.
How far am I away?
You're 2 parking stalls away.
Okay, so I need do I have enough room to go straight, then U-turn again?
Yes.
Okay, I want to try to do that. Is there any cars or anything?
No, you're good on cars. So you are facing a little, so you did the U-turn, you're facing a little to the right, so you would need to come a little to the left to be straight. So yeah, keep backing up, back up, back up. All right, now you're straight.
So like is the telephone pole over there?
Yes, you're pointed directly at the telephone pole. So you have your space to do your figure 8.
Okay, so I'm gonna go straight and then just try to go into a couple figure 8s and then just stop.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, this is crazy. Let's
Let
see.
me know when you have some room.
All right, I'm backed up. You got room. Yeah, this is definitely the craziest thing I've ever seen attempted on a motorcycle.
I don't know if I could turn the other way. Where am I at?
So your back pointed to the telephone pole. You did one complete circle.
But if I go straight and then go left, do I have enough room to go that way and then go right?
Yes.
So right here, even if I do a big figure 8, am I gonna hit anything?
No, you're right in the middle of the parking stalls.
Dude, this is scary as shit. Like, I'm like really close to freaking out and just stopping. Okay. So I have enough room to go left, go that way, and then go right and do a figure 8.
Yep, you're right in the perfect spot. This is the first time I've ever seen brake reverse stop. That was one figure 8. So now you're pointed, you're in the middle and you're pointed toward the south. So away from the bay.
So where are the telephone poles?
So the telephone poles are on your right and left. The roller coaster is on your right.
Okay. I want to try to do one more figure 8.
If you stop right there, you're pointed toward the telephone pole.
Now, do I have room to go straight
Yes.
and then left U-turn
Yes.
and then come back and try it again?
Yes.
Am I going to be going onto the traffic or am I in the parking spaces?
You're almost in the middle of the parking spaces. You're good. There's no cars around. You're good. right, you got another one.
Okay. I think that's it.
How was that? Like what?
Dude, it's like, it's okay when I'm going, but when I go to turn, like, it's so weird, 'cause I don't know where the ground is at. So the ground, it's like a surprise whenever I go to put my foot down. I almost dropped it that one time.
And look,
Dude, that's scary as hell. Let me keep the camera rolling, because I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna have you put this on so you could tell, like, you can see what I'm seeing. Is my bike off?
yes, it's off. Yeah, he's so disoriented, he wasn't even sure if his bike was on or off. So definitely don't try this at home.
Oh, look at that. I'm so nervous. I didn't do my helmet. It was off the whole time. Holy fuck. Dude,
And we're still rolling.
that's insane, man. Oh my God. Yeah, so here, let me grab the thing, and I want you to just put on the helmet. Here, just put on the helmet and the sunglasses, and that's it. Wow, that is really bizarre. Well, those alone, they're taped.
Oh my God. I see like one little line and that's it.
Now,
Yeah,
pull the helmet down.
There's no...
Yeah, I could not ride a motorcycle this way.
Like, I want to just get on your motorcycle to see
Okay.
Like how it feels.
All right, let me get the hat and whatnot. There you go.
Yeah, I don't know how you did that.
Isn't that crazy?
I want to be able to even start. That's insane.
So you put on the glasses and you didn't have the visor on, but can you see anything?
no, with the glasses and visor, nothing. Like there's not even light coming through.
Yeah, there's no light. I can't see the ground. I have nothing. There's
I would
nothing.
like completely freak out if I like started the motorcycle and tried to even move. Like
I almost did. I almost stopped. I almost said, screw it. I'm not doing this video. But wow. So here we go. I'll give you the camera back. Let me just switch places again. Here's your hat. I've been saying forever, and I'm just trying to think of ways to get people to. My whole goal in life is to get people out practicing, so they could become better riders, so they could crash less and have more fun. I don't think I was gonna drop it while I was moving, because you have momentum, and it feels. I know what that feeling feels like when the bike's leaning, the engine is slipping the clutch and rear brake. But trying to bring it up and not knowing where I'm pointing, and then trying to come to a stop, that was sketchy. But yeah, I'm probably never gonna do that again. But anyway. Go practice. If you're looking for crap to set up and practice, that's what my app and books are for. Go get some of that stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching. See y'all later.